Hey, have you ever wondered what happens if you don't use insurance money for repairs?
Yes, I have. It's a common issue that many people face.
Did you know that not using insurance money for repairs can lead to significant problems?
What kind of problems?
Well, for one, if you don't use the money for repairs, the damage can get worse over time, making it more expensive to fix in the long run.
That makes sense. What else can happen?
If you don't use the insurance money for repairs, your insurance company may not cover you if something else happens to your property in the future.
Wow, I didn't know that. Is there anything else?
Yes, if you don't use the insurance money for repairs, you may not be able to sell your property in the future because the damage will still be there.
That's a significant consequence. It's essential to use the insurance money for repairs.
Exactly. It's always best to use the insurance money for repairs as soon as possible to avoid any future problems.
That's good advice. It's always better to be safe than sorry.